I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by setting the calculator to financial mode and clearing prior data. This avoids incorrect residual values. Once done, set the decimal display and verify battery or power to prevent mid-calculation resets. Now enter the known variables: N periods, I/Y interest per period, PV present value, PMT payment, and FV future value. Make sure to use the sign convention: cash inflows versus outflows, because the calculator solves based on algebraic signs and an incorrect. Once your inputs are stable, press CPT or solve to compute the target variable and wait briefly. Some problems have multiple roots, so inspect the result for realism. If you work with Apparel, divide by compounding periods to get I/Y and multiply years by periods for N, because mismatched units cause large errors. Make sure payment frequency matches the interest period. Otherwise, you must adjust PMT or I/Y. Finally, interpret the numeric output within the problem context to confirm it makes practical sense. You finish by using advanced functions: amortization for principal and interest breakdowns, cash flow entry, and IRR/NPV for project evaluation, and memory registers for multi-step problems. If results look wrong, reset the calculator and run a known simple example to isolate the issue. This confirms the device itself versus your inputs. Make sure sign conventions and unit consistency are correct, and double-check that you are in the intended mode. Incorrect mode or retained memory is the most common source of erroneous answers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.